All right, let's get real for a second. Losing inner thigh fat? It's a tough one, but it's totally possible if you stay focused and move with purpose. If you're serious about seeing a difference in just 7 days, you have to bring your A game. So here are my top 10 killer workouts to target those inner thighs and turn that burn into results. Number 10, sumo squats. Stand wide, toes out, squat deep. Feel that squeeze on the way up. Do 15 reps and don't cheat yourself. Number 9, lateral lunges. Step out to the side, bend that knee, and push off. Alternate legs for 20 reps total. Your inner thighs are working overtime. Number 8, inner thigh leg lifts. Lay on your side, bottom leg straight. Lift it up and down for 15 reps, each side. It looks simple, but you'll feel it instantly. Number 7, curtsy lunges. Cross one leg behind, drop into a lunge. Alternate sides for 20 reps. It's a challenge, but keep your balance and go low. Number 6, frog jumps. Squat down, touch the floor, then explode up. Do 12 reps, and trust me, your thighs will thank you later. Number 5, inner thigh pulses. Stay low in a squat and pulse up and down, tiny movements for 30 seconds. Burn, baby, burn. Number 4, glute bridge with squeeze. Lay on your back, feet together, knees out. Lift your hips and squeeze those thighs at the top. 15 reps here. Number 3, side plank leg lifts. Hold a side plank, lift your top leg up and down 10 times each side. This one's a burner for sure. Number 2, wall sits. Back flat against the wall, sink down and hold for 45 seconds. Don't give up. And finally, number 1, butterfly stretch. It's not just a stretch. Push your knees down gently to really open up those thighs. Hold for 1 minute and breathe. Remember, it's not just about the workouts. Stay hydrated, eat clean, and rest up. You got this. Crush those inner thighs and let me know how it goes in 7 days. Now hit that like button, subscribe if you want more, and I'll see you in the next sweat session.